At first I was like, there's no way a stick vacuum is replacing my upright. Then I realized I made a big mistake. And it's not because it doesn't clean forward and backwards. Most vacuums only pick up when you push. This one sucks going both ways. And it's not because of the self-cleaning brush roll doesn't handle every type of hair without tangling. And it's definitely not because it's not under 10 pounds while my upright feels like I'm pushing a truck. Or because of the LED headlights that show me everything that my upright was missing, or because this thing can convert into a hand vac under 3 pounds and get all those areas that are hard to reach. No, I made a mistake because I paid full price, and right now there's a coupon that drops it way down. So if you want to grab one of these for yourself, there's not much left in stock, but I'm going to leave a link down below so you can. Just check that link for the most current pricing.